So I have a confession to make. I cannot, for the life of me, find the video showing you the before state of these doors. The infill panels were in horrible condition. There was bits missing, holes, they were falling apart. So the Western red cedar I recycled from a previous job would do just the trick for this. The door frames weren't in bad condition, so I was able to retain those, as was the door frame. It's just in this case, the existing cork on the exterior needed to be cut out, and then I just reapplied some polyurethane, which was perfect for outside, and it can be painted as well. So the other thing that needed to happen was the doors weren't really latching or swinging properly. There were some hinges that weren't really doing what they should be doing, and the door wasn't really latching or locking. So gave a bit of attention to the hardware on the doors. As you can see now, this is the finished product in the lovely ocean blue. Everything working, swinging, locking, latching as it should be. So thanks for watching, guys. And if you want to follow along with all my French carpentry adventures, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye for now.